A portable retro TV is a compact, vintage television with an analog CRT screen, featuring classic design elements like dials and antennas, often battery-operated for on-the-go viewing. A hand warmer is a compact device that provides warmth to your hands, often rechargeable or disposable, ideal for cold weather. A mini projector is a small, portable device that projects images and videos onto surfaces, ideal for presentations and home entertainment. It offers compact design, ease of use, and versatile connectivity options. A mini pocket printer is a compact, portable device that prints photos or documents directly from your smartphone. It offers convenience and ease of use, making it ideal for on-the-go printing. A car vacuum is a compact, powerful device designed for cleaning vehicle interiors. It efficiently removes dirt, debris, and pet hair from carpets, seats, and hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a spotless car environment. A label maker machine is a compact device that prints customizable labels for various uses. It offers features like text formatting and adhesive options, ideal for organizing items, creating barcodes, and more. A Wi-Fi extender boosts and extends the range of your wireless network, improving signal strength in hard-to-reach areas. It helps eliminate dead zones, providing more reliable and consistent internet coverage throughout your space. A luggage scale is a portable device used to weigh bags and suitcases before travel. It ensures you stay within weight limits, helping avoid excess baggage fees and making packing more efficient. An eye massager is a compact device designed to soothe and relieve eye strain and fatigue. It uses gentle vibrations, heat, and air pressure to relax muscles, improve circulation, and reduce puffiness. A smart home button is a versatile device that controls multiple smart home functions with a single press. It can manage lighting, security, and appliances, providing convenient automation and streamlined home management.